Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making this beautiful floating gold resin coaster. These are the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my TotalBoat TableTop Epoxy, and I don't know if I've ever showed you guys these mixing cups that they sell as well. They're awesome for mixing your resin. I will link them down below in the description box and along with the resin as well. These are the different products I'm going to be using. Mehron Gold, I get this off Amazon. It's a pigment powder. Blue Sapphire by Laura Usher from Laura's Art Corner. Glitz and Glam Milky Way pigment by Laura Usher. And this Aurora Borealis Blue, color shifting blue interference, and Island Micas and More Surfs Up White. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box, and I'll pin it in the comments. So just scroll down to the comment section and you can check that video out if you want to see step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments. So here's my little coaster mold. I went in with that blue sapphire. I added the Milky Way, and this is that Aurora Borealis blue interference blue pigment, and now I'm going in with the Surfs Up White in the center of my mold. You want to make sure that your mold is basically covered on the bottom with all the other colors, and you want to add the white last, so it's kind of floating on top of those other colors. Going in with that Mehron Gold, I added a big dollop at the bottom and a line going across the center, and this gold is so awesome. It floats and just gives you some really awesome cells, especially when you use it with a high viscosity resin, a thicker resin like the TotalBoat TableTop Epoxy. Now I'm going in with my heat gun on low, and I'm just moving that gold around, and that's it. You don't want to overheat it. You just want to kind of disperse that gold so it will kind of break apart and float on top of your other colors. I am going to go in one more time with my heat gun on low, and that's it. I know it looks totally ugly right now, but just leave it. And when you check it the next day, you're going to see as the resin self-leveled and everything kind of moved around, this is what your end result will be. Super pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I absolutely love this gold. It's so beautiful. Definitely check it out. Like I said, I get it off Amazon. I'll link it down below. I've had the bottle that I'm using for like 3 years now, and there's still a ton left. So it's definitely worth it. I think it's like $9 for the bottle. And I think the backside turned out really pretty too. Had some fun texture back there. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys give this a try. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products, you can get a little bit of extra savings. And I also made another set of coasters very similar to this, using these same colors but a different technique, and you'll see how different they turned out. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. I'm going to be posting that video within the next few days. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.